Welcome to Navigator of the Seas room tour of Ocean View Balcony, room 8280. You walk in to a very spacious room. Immediately on your left-hand side, you have the closet. Very much ample storage space. Lots of hangers and lots of room to put away all your amazing outfits. Right next to the closet, you have the vanity and desk space with lots of drawer space to put away all your unmentionables or electronics and such. And we can't forget about the mini fridge. Lots of room to put your bottles of water or anything else that might wet your whistle. Then you have the safe, your typical standard safe where you can put your passports and such. Sadly, will not fit a full-size laptop. So let's talk about this bed. King size, which can be switched to twins, was very comfortable. Although for me the pillows were a bit too soft, but all in all, I had some great night sleeps on this bed. Now let's talk about this balcony. So this stateroom was situated on the starboard side of the ship, which is the right-hand side of the ship while facing forward. It was in a great position, didn't get too hot during the cruise or anything. Ample space, 2 great chairs and a nice table to sit down, watch the water pass by, and have your morning coffee. Now for the room that everyone questions about when they go on a cruise. Here on Navigator of the Seas, the washrooms in the staterooms are spacious. You have ample storage to put all your amenities away, and the shower has great room with glass doors, so you have more room to move around in. So again, this was an ocean view balcony on the Navigator of the Seas. This is an overview of the stateroom. The dimensions are 198 square feet or 60 meters long, and the balcony is 42 square feet or 12 meters wide. So lots of room to move around and have a great time. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of my stateroom here on Navigator of the Seas. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, because there's still more to come on this amazing cruise, all here on Nick Tours.